Since the start of our project, our academic team tried to draw the system that we were trying to understand. We shared our designs with public and private partners and used their feedback to make improvements. In the fall of 2017, we asked graduate student Seamus Johnson to take data provided by our project's research assistant, Tim Allen, and use it to build a more sophisticated model using a software called Stella. With feedback from partners, he made improvements to his model. Here we've added logos from 3 key partners: Compost Crusaders, Blue Ribbon Organics, and Purple Cow Organics. On the left-hand side of the model, the red box represents the primary landfill that serves the Milwaukee region, located near Menominee Falls. The green box represents places that are separating their excess food at its source and directing it to the region's food waste composting system. This includes restaurants, schools, food processors, grocery stores, hospitals, corporate cafeterias, and households. One company that's making it easier for people to make this effort is Compost Crusader. The owner, Melissa Tashin, has a small fleet of trucks that pick up food waste throughout the region. The tipping fees her customers pay must cover all her costs of hauling it to a commercial composter 30 minutes south of the city in Caledonia called Blue Ribbon Organics. Blue Ribbon co-owner James Jutronka, like Melissa, has shared business data that enables us to model the supply chain. We know how much food waste Compost Crusader collected from her suppliers in 2016, how much she delivered to Blue Ribbon, and we can derive how much compost that created when combined with yard waste. The model can also highlight what would happen if James was no longer able to accept Melissa's deliveries. We characterize that problem as an overflow. Currently, she is completely dependent on Blue Ribbon to take her materials. If turned away, she would essentially have to tell her suppliers she could no longer serve them, and the valuable resource might all revert to the landfill. One reason James might be forced to turn Melissa's trucks away is he could exceed the 5,000 cubic yard limit for food waste that his permit from the Department of Natural Resources allows on his site at any given time. It's also possible that Blue Ribbon Organics could stockpile more composted food waste than it's able to sell through its current market channels, such as bulk sales to farms and gardens. This would create his own overflow problem and force him to postpone more deliveries from Compost Crusader. What this model has helped us do is understand how Milwaukee's food waste composting system involves supply, demand, and composting capacity. If current and future partners could provide annual data, it would be possible to predict capacity requirements as more companies and households make the choice to divert food waste from the landfill.